Hi, it's me again. I wanted to create a short video on tea tree oil. It's actually an amazing oil that does a lot of things. Like for example, you can get rid of ants and insects around your house by taking 20 drops, putting in 1/4 of a cup of water in a spray bottle, spray it around, and these ants will go somewhere else. It's quite safe, non-toxic, so that's one great benefit. Also, it's an anti-mold remedy. Spray it in your shower, in your basement, same dilutions, and it just cleans up mold and mildew. And it's excellent for skin problems in the scalp, toenail fungus, nail fungus, psoriasis, any type of skin issue. Just put 2 drops in a tablespoon of coconut oil, mix it up really good, and rub it into the skin and see if it can help you. Also good for sinus in a neti pot, so you can check that out. So go ahead, give it a shot, and tell me what you think. Hi guys, hey listen, I created a pretty amazing evaluation quiz down below that actually analyzes your symptoms to find the cause, the root cause of all of your symptoms, the most likely cause. So take the quiz now and we'll send you a report.